Hey guys, just for the kind to check out both for you guys, Febon Bots. Outlaw on DVD. I got Django Unchained on Blu-ray. Where I did watch it. I did watch it. I think it was a good film. I did enjoy the movie. I think it was a good film. I did enjoy the movie for it could go away, and I like it. I think I enjoy it. I like it. So just fun. Back. Side. So that. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Yeah. 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 So up. And yeah, what just bet? What just bet? Yes, yeah. So this. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's on quick unbox of Django Unchained on Blu-ray. See, yeah, not sure it's gonna be. So that's it. So, just Foster sign out.